Hey, morning, guys. It's another day here in the farm. Can have a look around. This over here, I transplanted it yesterday. The Swiss chard is very small. I had to transplant now, so at least in a month's time, it's about ready. So there's some beetroot as well. I put in the middle of the Swiss chard just to maximize the spacing. Sometimes you have to maximize. This is a home garden. It's my home garden. It's not a business right now. It's just my home garden. So it's just for me. It's just for me and my pigs and my chickens. There's some spring onion over there. I've got some garlic in the black grow bags also. So let me just water. It's early morning. It's going to get hot by 10 o'clock. So I just want to water this now. So by the time it gets hot, at least there's some water the seedlings will be able to hold. This is the water that I use. We've got a lot of pests lately. The locusts are here, so when the seedlings are small, I prefer to water with garlic water. What I normally do, I just take few pieces of garlic, put them in water, soak them for a couple of days, and a bit of chili, any chili whatsoever. I soak for a couple of days, then I can water the seedlings. I can water the seedlings. Remember, they're still small. We don't water too much. Avoid watering direct on top of them because they're still small. Water on the side of them. They will be able to grab the water. These ones are strong, but I still prefer to use the garlic water on them. Like I said, pest control is very important in farming. Pest control is very important. This ones I can water on top of them because they are already strong. We've run out of water. Let me go grab some water. My homestead is a work in progress. We're still far from where we are going, but we'll get there. Still far, but we'll get there. Still far, but we'll get there. We've got a bit of garlic somewhere here. That's why I'm even watering here. Got garlic. There's garlic in here. Garlic, spring onion. I've been eating this for more than a year now. It's more than a year old. Simply cutting it regrows. Simply cut it to regrow. It will regrow. That's the thing. That's why I like spring onion so much. You can keep it for a very long time. It will keep growing. So now let's go see the pig. Before we go to the pigs, this is another space where I'm hoping to make raised beds. Maybe I can get 2 raised beds here. The space for that. Before we go to the pigs, here's a few chickens. The white ones are broilers. The others are just backyard chickens. Got some Orpingtons in here. Got some Orpingtons in here. And a white Australorp. So now we're going to check out the pigs. That housing over there, I was using it for chickens, but I want to move it to still be used for chickens, but I want to move it to another location. So let's see. Let's go to check out the pigs. A whole lot of weeds, a whole lot of grass. They stay here at the back. This is where we keep our pigs. We've got just a few of them. Got this one, and a few of these piglets. We got other piglets in here. These ones we're hoping to raise for ourselves. We're going to breed them. It's 3 females and 1 male. So it's a sow. It's 3 sows, 1 boar. Yeah, this is our pigs. Very beautiful. Very beautiful indeed.